In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay name. By the end of this guide, you will be able to update your account name efficiently and correctly, ensuring your profile reflects your desired identity on the platform. Begin by logging into your eBay account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings page. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the eBay homepage. After selecting your profile icon, look for Account Settings in the drop-down menu and click on it to access your account details. In the Account Settings section, you will see various options related to your personal information, including your registered name and username. Look for the specific option that allows you to edit your profile details. It is essential to review the information displayed on this page to ensure that you are about to update the correct field. eBay typically separates personal name and username settings, so confirm that you have selected the appropriate one before proceeding. Next, locate the name field that you wish to change and click the edit option next to it. This will allow you to enter the updated name exactly as you want it to appear on your account. Take a moment to carefully check the spelling and formatting of your new name before saving the update. It is crucial to provide accurate information, as some changes may require verification or additional confirmation from eBay to ensure your account remains secure. After entering the new name, be sure to save the changes in your account settings. eBay will then process this update and your profile will reflect the new information. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding the change, which serves as a record of your update. To ensure everything is being processed correctly, it is advisable to review your profile afterward to confirm that the new name appears as intended. Maintaining accurate account information is important, as it helps avoid future issues with billing and shipping details. Your updated name will now be visible in your account details, ensuring that your eBay presence aligns with your preferences. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.